Hello guys, welcome to my channel and I'm Koscyber. Today we are going to look at how to use Wi-Fi Fern Cracker to hack into Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi account, and also we are going to show you how you can secure yourself when using Wi-Fi or any form of Wi-Fi network. But before we get into the main video, please do well to subscribe, like, comment and share the video to anyone so that this will help the channel to grow. Now let's get right inside on the interface of Kalinos. But before that, you have to change from the main to the root user. So this is what you are going to type. Now you go to sudo su, then hit enter, put in the password of the Kalinos. Now we are in the root user of Kalinos. There is one major thing that we need to type, or we need to allow access so that we can be able to use the Fern Cracker and we will not face any problems. So all we have to do is type IP link set up WLAN 0 down. Now hit enter. The next thing is to type IP link WLAN 0 name WLAN 0 mon, then we hit enter in the distance. Now we move to this place. Now we search Fern WiFi Cracker. Now we put in the password of our Kalinos. Now you can see that the network has changed from the bar to the no network sign. So whilst we are waiting for the Fern WiFi Cracker to pop up, please do well to subscribe, like, comment and share the video with anyone so that the channel will grow. And this place we talk about cybersecurity awareness, how you can stay safe, how you can protect yourself, your company and your congregation. So this is how the Fern WiFi Cracker looks like. Let's close this. Now when you open the Fern WiFi Cracker, we have the select interface where you are going to select the interface, and also we have the scan for access point where you can scan for access point and data detection status to which the detection status have the WEP and WPA, which are for networks. So now we are going to choose select interface. Now with the select interface, we are using WLAN 0 and we started, so we are going to choose the WLAN 0. Now we choose the WLAN 0, we wait for it to finish loading. Now we are into the monitor mode. Now the next thing to do is scan for access point. Now the access point scanner is active. Now we wait for it to detect Wi-Fi that are close or that are in our surrounding. And if we come down and we look at the WPA, we can see that it is being able to detect some of the Wi-Fi that are available. And if you come to the key database, it says that there's no key entries. Now we choose the WPA. Now we click on it. Now the new interface pops up. Now we have some two available Wi-Fi network, but we are going to choose our own network, which is the W-Link network. Now we click on it. When you come to this place, we have automation and attack. Now before you attack any Wi-Fi network, you have to try to use reverse engineering. With reverse engineering, you can be able to hack the password from front to the end, from the end to the front. So now let's choose the regular attack. Now I'm using rockq.txt, which is the default, or which is the password holder, or a folder that contains a whole lot of password. If you have any other password holder on your machine, you can check it out and you can use it. If you want to check it, you go to browse, then you see you choose it from any of these available devices or available files. Now let's try to perform the attack. All we have to do is what? Go to automate, then we click on what? Attack. First of all, we need to choose the Wi-Fi network that we are going to attack. Now we choose our own personal Wi-Fi network. Now we start the attacks. So with this, you see that it's probing for access point. Now it will de-authenticate the Wi-Fi network for several times before the handshake will what? Appear. After the handshake appear, then the brute force attack appears. Now the current phase is telling us that there is no an attack, so let's wait for it. Now you can see that the attack has begun, and it is what? Trying different kind of password. How do you protect your Wi-Fi network from hacker, or how do you protect your personal information whilst you are using your Wi-Fi network from getting hacked? Now, first thing that you have to do is what? Have strong and unique password. The password that contain alphanumeric keys, letters, symbols, and others. And also try to update your Wi-Fi network so that it will meet the latest security patch, for it not to be fall as a victim to what? A known vulnerability. And also, if you don't have any Wi-Fi in your house, don't use public Wi-Fi network. The reason is that your Wi-Fi, when you are using public Wi-Fi network, it is easy for a hacker to gather information about you or your credentials. And also, even when you want to use public Wi-Fi network, try to use what? VPN, and with this will help you what? To protect your credentials or your personal information. And also try to update your Wi-Fi firmware so that your Wi-Fi will be latest update. And also try to change the password at least every 3 months or 2 times in a week. And I go by the name Koscyber. This is where we end tutorials, and thanks for watching. Do well to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with anyone. See you in our next video. Stay safe, stay informed. Alhamdulillah.